Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ogi and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I want to take you through my fruit and vegetables haul. It's a weekend and usually I buy fruits and vegetables every weekend. Sometimes I have them stay up to 10 days, 15 days, but mostly I always budget for the week because most of the lifespan of these fruits and vegetables are between 7 days to 14 days. So I try to work within 7 days and find buy fruits based on what we are sure we can consume for that week. Sometimes, like I said, we may have extras or shortages. Sometimes some of them get to finish before the 1 week, some extend longer than 1 week. And I buy what is available. Most of the time I try to buy as many fruits and vegetables as possible, but sometimes you may not see this, you see this, you may not see this, you see this. So my name is Oge, I reach you from Abuja. Now, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your love and your support. And if you have not subscribed, please join this amazing family. Please join this amazing family. And if you like these kinds of content, please be sure to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can know that you like videos like this, and I can always share videos like this in the future. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends and loved ones. So let me show you how what I got and the prices for all of these items. I'm going to start with the plantains. The plantains now are very expensive, but I was able to get this for 1,500 naira. Yes, this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. 9 whatever is in there. And here I have my potatoes, sweet potatoes. I like to buy sweet potatoes. I like to buy sweet potatoes weekly. Sometimes can stay up to 1 week, and because sweet potatoes has tendency of spoiling really fast. I haven't learned how to make them last longer, but for now, because of I am not able to know how to save these, so I just buy weekly or every 2 weeks, because I try to make sure I have plantain and potatoes handy all the time so that I can easy to make breakfast and stuff like that. So I got this for 1,000 naira for a basket. I think I've taken some from it to prepare already. So that's it. I got this is fresh orange juice. I don't normally buy this every week, but I tried to. I didn't make this myself. I bought them and it's cost me 500 naira per bottle. This is fresh natural orange juice, unadulterated. I like to enjoy this with my people, and it's really nutritious. This is not part of the haul. I just got this and I decided to share with you guys. It's separate from where I bought it. So I have my pineapple. This is a small size pineapple. I prefer to buy my pineapples green and then have it ripe, because sometimes when they sell for me pineapples that are already ripe, most of them are already spoiling, so I don't want to have to deal with that. This I'll go for 500 naira. And then I have my watermelon. This is pretty small. I normally buy the bigger sizes, but yeah, everything is expensive right now, so I got this head of watermelon for 500 naira also. And then I have my spring onions. I like to buy a lot of spring onions because I use them for my stew base and other things, but I have some stew base in the fridge. I just got this to have spring onions because I use it for my emergency sauces and something like that. I have my carrots right now. It's cast. This I got. Okay, this spring onions cost me 200 naira, and it's not that fresh by the ways. And this is this costs 500 naira. I got 2 of them. The carrots are not in season right now, that's why it's costing 500 naira. These 3 I got for 500 naira. This is not good at all. I was in my car when I asked them to give it to me, and I guess that's why they took advantage of it. So guys, be careful when you're buying things like this. I had my baby in the car and I didn't want to leave her in the car alone to attend to buy these things. So and then I got these 2 for 1,000 naira. These 2 1,000 naira. These 3 500 naira. I got this cabbage for 500 naira, and I got this cucumber. I have this cucumber from my fridge. I thought I had more, but obviously just this one left, so I bought only these 2. So I was hoping to I had like 2 or 3 more because I usually have a lot of cucumbers, but I realized so that was the only item I had left in my fridge. That's to show you that I really ran out of stock this time around. I try not to run out of stock, guys. So this is my tomatoes. I got this for this cost me 600 naira. Can you imagine? I've been avoiding tomatoes, and the guy told me it's going to be really nice, and I'm disappointed again because I was in my car, because I have tomatoes that I bought some months ago and it's still what I'm using now. That is really how lucky I am. So it cost me 600, and this cucumber, these extras cost me like 300 naira, 150 each. This cabbage 500 naira, and these oranges cost me about 600 naira for a basket. I normally buy my oranges in baskets because it makes sense for me, because there are many of us. I can't be buying 200 naira on pre-cut ones. I feel lazy to cut them nowadays, to peel them nowadays. So when we wash them, I'll just cut them into 4 pieces or hand peel them. Yes, that's how I do it to make it easy. If not, you start peeling potatoes and oranges, and that can be quite stressful, guys, So yeah, this cost me about 600 naira, or there are either 600 or 800 naira, I'm not sure, but this is a full basket of oranges. And then I have my banana, cost me 500, and this banana is not as fresh as I would ordinarily like, but yeah, I got it anyways, 500 naira. And this one cost me this is got the egg white and green. I like to mix both of them. You have to snack on maybe granola or anything like that, just snack on it. Yeah, so this cost me 200 naira only, really. And then this is my English pear. This is for the senior citizens and it's just 3 of them for 1,000 naira. They're really fresh. I love them. Yeah, English pear. And then this tangerine, I got this tangerine as a result of long throat. It's long throat that caused me to buy this, because this is very expensive. It's been a long time. It's up to 2 years since I had tangerine. If you know what tangerine means, raise your hand. So this is 350, but I think I was able to get all of these for about 1,500 or 1,700 naira for all of this. I know this is not going to last, and I'm going to start scavenging this before I store it, because I know that by the time I go to work for 2 days, they may all disappear from the fridge the way I'm seeing it, because they are really sweet. Unlike orange, they are in the same citrus family, but this one is easy to peel and is sweeter than orange. So I already have my daughter grab it. I told her, hold on, let me finish my video first, because I know that I don't trust them. By the time this video is done, I don't trust that this tangerine will still remain. So I have my apples. These apples cost 200 naira for one, and then I should have gotten more red apples, and this cost 200 naira for one, and 5 of them for 3 for 500. I'm just seeing that this tomato is not as fresh as I thought. Okay, we'll deal with that later. And I got 2,000 naira worth of apples. Yes, we are a family of 5. We should really be 6, but my baby is still really tender. She's still a toddler. She doesn't get to eat all of this, except where I prepare. I just cut small and give her, or colobi some and give her, or make her own into small purees in small quantities, so we don't count her yet. Okay, these eggs are not part of the grocery fruits and vegetables, but I got them, and this cost me 2,500 naira for a crate, and this is expected to last us for the next 1 week or 2. Yes, I also got yam because I'm running out of yam. This yam cost me about I think 1,000 naira, 2,500 there about. Yeah, I'm not sure I remember the price. So guys, that is all for my mini fruits and vegetables haul. This is how I roll when it comes to staying healthy and staying fit, incorporating them into my daily diet. All these things now, I'm not even sure they'll be up to 1 week, because we try to eat all these things every blessed day. Sometimes I may run out of a few items and I'll get them replaced in the middle of the week. Sometimes I don't run out of them. By the way, I forgot my pawpaw. I normally have that this pawpaw, pineapple and watermelon combo every dinner or every night after dinner or before dinner, 15 minutes before dinner or 1 hour after dinner. In another video, by the way, I'll be showing you how I store them in my refrigerator. So I hope this video is able to help you. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet subscribed, and give me a thumbs up so I can know you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.